So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you install and use Windsurf, which is a AI based code editor. So firstly we need to open our browser and then you can just type out here as Windsurf download this one. So you will see the first link that will be from windsurf.com, that is download Windsurf editor. Now depending upon your operating system this will show some options. I will be going with the x64 version because I am using Windows 64-bit. Since I already have the file for this, so I don't need to download it again. So I will just cancel it, but you have to save this one. Now just go in your file explorer and run this particular application. This is a setup application for Windsurf. Click on I accept the agreement and then next. And then you have to make sure that this add to path option is checked. Click on next again and then install. This will take some time depending upon your system. Yeah, it is almost installed. So since now our setup is done, you can just launch this. So click on finish. This will ask you to choose your key bindings. I will be from importing from VS Code. You can also import settings from VS Code. That is a completely optional step, but I will use this. I will be going with the dark theme. Then click next. This will ask you to sign up. So I will going with the sign up button. Just open Windsurf. So you can now see that I have successfully I have successfully entered in my uh, Windsurf. Now what you have to do is you can just see that here is the agents option where you can add agents according to your primary usage. Here is a open folder option just like VS Code. You can open your projects from here. You can create a new project from here. You can clone a repository just like VS Code. Okay then, uh, you can ask anything like control using control plus L in a particular. Let me show you this. Yes, I trust the authors. This is my Python file. You have to install this particular extension in your Windsurf to run your Python codes. Now, what you can do is you can just open your chatbot here using control plus L. You can choose agents here. After that, you can choose code and chat, whichever mode you want. You can also use the available models here. Now, if you want to do anything, like I want to add some extra features in this, so I can just ask GPT to add this, add some extra features in this particular file. This will automatically do some work and ask you to add those particular extra features. So you can see that this has edited some code here and there. If you want to accept, you can accept, like I am accepting this all. Now you can see that this has particularly modified my code. I will just save this and we can run this now. So this was the basic demonstration of how Windsurf can be used. So that's it for this video guys. Now let's see you next time.